Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Ford Transit Connect XLT. This four-door van has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This Ford has less than 136,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.